Hi, welcome to Harris Puppet Shows. Today we're going to be acting out a story. We're going to be acting out the king's eating habit. So enjoy. Once upon a time there was a king and he only ate chicken. Let's see what we have for lunch today. Chicken fries, chicken burgers, chicken pudding. Same thing every day. I want to be different. So the king agreed to honor with royalty, along with the trip to Walt Disney World, anyone who would give him better stuff to eat. This is what he did. Pretty much the next day. You should try this. You should try pork chops, or fish, or steak, or burgers, or hot dogs, or veal. A type of meat for the meat group. And then you should try something from the bread group. Rice or pasta, whole wheat or rye bread, or muffins. So for the bread group, you should ask your fruit and vegetable group. Broccoli or peas or beans, or lettuce or cabbage, beets, apples, oranges, bananas, grapefruit. Something for the fruits and vegetables group. And then you should have something from the dairy group, like milk or chocolate milk, or ice cream, cheese, butter, or yogurt. So what do we have? A meal. That's what we'll eat. And it says, all of you done a good job. I'll take all of you to Walt Disney World. And so from that day on, the king always has something for the meat group, for the fruits and vegetables group, for the bread group, and the dairy group. And everyone was happy. Everyone lived happily ever after. That's our story.